Hello and welcome. I've got for you today this Pössl 2-win plus camper van. Something like this you're looking at just over 63,000 euros. So it's a 6-meter Fiat Ducato camper van, but this Fiat Ducato camper van is not available on a Fiat Ducato. It comes on the Citroen or the Peugeot, the Jumper or the Boxer. And but it looks like a Fiat Ducato camper van, so that's why I call it a Fiat Ducato camper van. Just as the way I call a Hoover, which is what you hear in the background, a Hoover, a vacuum cleaner, a Hoover, even though that one probably is made by Dyson and not by Hoover. Anyway, with that having been said, we've got here at the back a widthwise bed. We've got a small window, slit window there, and we've got storage all the way around. And we've got a step up to the bed. And what I'm now doing is I'm standing in this shower unit. It's a very clever shower unit because it is in the corridor. And let's see if I can move it around a bit. Well, I move that bit around and I've blocked off the view of the back. There is the toilet, there is the fixed sink, and over here there's still a view from the campsite and people can see me. So I'll pull this one over here like that. I'm now shutting the toilet, and that's how that works. What's clever about this? Well, the first thing is I normally don't walk around, wouldn't walk into the shower with a backpack on and a bag on my front, but I've still, despite all that, I've got plenty of room in here moving around. So and that's made possible. You see that funny thing down there? That's a track for this, and as you can see, this moves around there like that. And that is how the shower door works. We'll move this one out here as well. That on the floor, that is the duckboard to stand on. I think this is a very sensible space saving idea. I would be the first to admit that it's not very attractive to look at, but it makes sense. In this vehicle, you've got around 12 square meters of floor space. So why not use the corridor for that? People have said in the past, well, how do you get, if you're sleeping in the back, how do you get the front of someone in the shower? Well, that is true. But so my answer would be, well, you'll have to wait, won't you? How about that as an answer? Over here in the shower, we've got the fridge. Below it, we've got a wardrobe. Coming over here, we've got 2 burners, and we've got a sink. And up here, we've got a really daft ledge and a bit of storage. Just have a walk around the outside. Storage under here as well. Front facing bench, storage up there. Now we're going to have a walk around the outside. I do like this little bag that you get with Pössl vans. Actually, Knaus Tabbert offers something like, was it Knaus Tabbert? Yeah, I think it's Knaus Tabbert offers some bag like that as well. Big window here. Problem with these windows though, they are not very secure, but I think actually, it's quite honest though, they are getting better. Windows at the back which are openable, a lot of space down there. In here we've got 2 burners, sorry, not 2 burners, 2 cylinders, 2 full-size gas cylinders will go in there for cooking and for heating. Right, so let's now come to the front, have a quick look more at it. 2-win R+. Now when this 2-win was introduced, the idea was it was a 2-person camper van. It still is a 2-person camper van, but they get rid of the rear facing bench in order to make, sorry, the forward facing bench in order to have more space in the motorhome. Well, it's completely lost that concept, and it's now just gone for a traditional shape, albeit with a shower in the gangway, or the corridor if you prefer. Anyway, that's the way it is. There's the van, 2-win R+, 64,000 or there, 64,000 euros. Thanks for watching, hope you found it interesting. 6-meter camper van. Bye for now.